0 days capability with Eternalblue. We'll uncover how Eternalblue works using Wireshark. Eternalblue was an exploit developed by the NSA. Actually, we know these agencies never develop exploits. They buy them, and they bought this from shadow brokers. If you haven't seen my video on 0 days, watch it. This virus affects Windows XP 7 Server 2013 to 2008 R2 or any OS without the MS 17010 update. Here we have a GitHub clone with vulnerable OS ISOs you can test. We have the TCP port 445, which is the filter we'll use. We'll only listen to this port. In the first packet, we have the machine's IP, source, and destination. We have the PID, which is the service ID packet, and here we have SIN being sent to the machine. So in this line, we can see it's a TCP connection specifically on port 445, which is used by Windows SMB service, server message block, right? Pretty simple. So we have the explanation here. See, the first line, 387, is the packet number. The second is the timestamp. The third line is the source and destination IP from Kali Linux to Windows, for example. And here we have TCP. TCP is the target protocol type. Here we have the packet size, the source, right? Destination port 445, a SIN, which is the type of connection initiated. Remember that the handshake needs a SYN ACK for the connection to be established, but when it starts to establish the connection, it first sends a SYN packet. Here we have the SYN flag. We have the sequence of this packet, which is 0, the first packet. We have the amount already received, the maximum allowed, and so on.